It is a journey to a place where it's easier to die than to live. A city where every day vengeance comes from the skies. As a president seeks to destroy a population. It didn't take us long to realise why millions have tried to get out of here. There it is, to the left. We could tell from the radio chatter something had gone on as we approached Idlib city. Now we know that a civilian area has been hit. That's the reality for people trying to live here. And this is the reality of what that airstrike did. We cannot show most of the images as they are so graphic. Death is commonplace here, but its scale does not take away its pain. Nor the desperation to save life. A group of children were going to buy syrup when the missile hit. Some survived. At least 4 did not. Attacks like this are so commonplace here that half an hour later there were only a few pitiful signs of what had gone on. The children who were killed here died under a beautiful blue sky, but it is a sky that is patrolled by an enemy who has no concern for the innocent victims its bombs kill. And that enemy, whether the Syrian regime or their Russian allies, whether in planes or helicopters, is relentless. In the hospitals, they're dealing with the results of those bombs.
It's war on civilians.
It's all civilians that you're seeing?
What?
It's all civilians that you're seeing?
Yes, unfortunately, yes. Assalamu alaikum.
In just one room, Dr. Hikman al-Khatib showed us the effect of that war across the generations. Age is no protection, nor is youth. So she had the injury to her femur.
A big defect on the femur, on the muscles. Every day she has a dressing under anesthesia.
With 2 of her children being treated in the same bed, their mother told me how they were hurt.
بركنا وعم بحوش أنا حوش مشان أطبخ لهم طعميه. سمعت شيء هيك مثل اللي شيء صفر فوق راسي، طلعت ولا الصاروخ عبيت قلت دقل. يعني قلت شقد ما رقدت وشلتهم ماني رايحة لحق، خلص قضاء الله قدره إنه الأطفال راحت، بس قلت يا رب اجعلها فيني ما تجعلها بأطفالي.
And hospitals offer no protection. They're relentlessly attacked.
Where this offer shows.
There's a plane. They've been hit so many times they now have warning lights. Orange means there's a plane overhead and a high risk of attack. Red, which is seen too often, means an attack is imminent.
It's very dangerous now. Every moment, there is a plane. There is a plane. Perhaps it at this time may be destroy all the hospital, and all of us will be killed at any time, all our life.
But even with a bomb-laden plane circling, these doctors don't leave. Salam. Because their duty is to the other victims of this war. The babies born into it, born months early because of the trauma their mothers have sustained. Nadika was born at 28 weeks. She weighs 3 pounds. What chance does such a tiny soul stand against military might? Do you think this baby will live?
It's inshallah. Some cases will live.
But in this situation, it must be more difficult.
We do everything we can.
Maharam is displaying the kind of spirit she'll need to survive the world she's born into. That she's a month old defies expectation. What path, if any, will her tiny feet tread? For those babies, there is at least some shelter. For others, it's minimal and makeshift. A stadium now home to thousands. Yalla, okay. At 10, Jana is almost as old as the war and has already moved 10 times.
ما شفت نهار بحياتي إني أكون ضحكانة إلا كل حياتنا بكى.
Her mother grieves the life and the child she has lost.
بتمنى نرجع مثل ما كنا ضبهم هيك محدي نتشوفهم يعني اشبع منهم. واللي فقدناه الله يرحمه ويتقبله. قناص كان رايح يجيب لنا خبز ناكل. قنصوه.
And how degraded is our world when living in a snake-infested cave offers the closest thing to home. A home which makes the children so ill they need oxygen.
والله عيش كتير يعني سيئة هون يعني كنا في ضيعتنا الحمد لله يعني كتير باركين ومتقاوين. هون مرض وبرد يعني عيش كتير سيئة على السوا. يعني إيش واحد بده يساوي بدنا نعيش عبين ما الله يفرج علينا.
There is no sign of that solution. The people of Idlib are doing all they can to stay alive, but they are being relentlessly pursued by death. Emma Murphy, News at 10, Idlib.